My name is Mike Ollinger. My role is the Director of Operations from the MTA for the Purple Line. My role is the oversight of our concessionaire and development and management of the MTA team that performs that oversight. So over the past 25 years, I started here in June 2001 as a light rail car repairman, working on the light rail vehicles up in Baltimore. MTA afforded me to go through college. I transitioned all the way through management into the ultimate position there as Deputy Director of Light Rail. Then I transitioned to the Office of Engineering and Construction as a Quality Assurance, Quality Control Manager. I ultimately became the Deputy Director of Engineering. Then transitioned into a new department that we developed called Program Management Oversight. Then that ultimately led me to here to develop this team here at Operations. The uniqueness and the challenge of this system is the mixed traffic in various sections throughout the alignment. The mixed traffic will integrate with car movement as well as the trains moving in the same lanes. Maryland has not seen this type of system since the streetcars in Baltimore City back in the 50s and 60s. It's an exciting time and great to be part of it. What I'm looking forward to the most is to see more trains out on the main line, running across the rail, the reduction of the construction, and seeing more of a service that's going to come to the community in the future.